Most men think women only want sex when they're physically attracted, but that's not true. That's only the surface. The deeper truth is that a woman's desire is psychological before it is physical. When certain emotional triggers are activated, her body responds instantly. The issue is that most men chase women with surface-level tactics, looks, money, or compliments. While those may catch attention, they do not ignite real desire. What truly flips the switch for a woman is not just what she sees, but what she feels. Psychology research proves that a woman's arousal centers in the brain are tied to emotions, security, and anticipation. This means that if you don't understand these emotional triggers, you'll always miss the moment. The first trigger is safety. Desire does not grow in fear. When a woman feels emotionally safe with you, safe from judgment and safe to be vulnerable, her body relaxes. And when her body relaxes, desire awakens. Her body will not open until her mind feels safe. The second trigger is the feeling of being desired. Women want to feel wanted, not just physically, but in a unique and personal way. When she feels you are attracted to her essence, not just her looks, her desire rises instantly. She doesn't just want sex, she wants to feel like she is the only woman you crave. The third trigger is anticipation. Sexual desire thrives on mystery and build-up. When you create anticipation, her brain releases dopamine, which transforms into desire. Rushed men kill attraction, but patient men amplify it. Her imagination becomes your greatest weapon. The fourth trigger is emotional connection. For many women, sex without connection is mechanical, but with connection, it becomes irresistible. When she feels understood and emotionally close to you, her desire increases naturally. The fifth trigger is strength and dominance, not in the sense of control, but in confidence and decisiveness. Your calm strength invites her softness, and that softness unlocks her desire. The sixth trigger is novelty and excitement. Routine kills passion, but newness sparks it instantly. Surprising her, creating playful moments, or breaking predictability makes her feel alive and sexually drawn to you. Predictability breeds boredom, while surprise breeds desire. The seventh and deepest trigger is the feeling of being chosen. A woman desires you the most when she feels that, out of all possible options, you chose her. If you focus only on her when others are around, she feels special, selected, and elevated. She desires you more when she believes you could have anyone, but you chose her. Picture this. She is sitting across from you, nervous but excited. You listen, you tease, and you hold her gaze a little too long. She feels safe, desired, and chosen. The air grows heavy and the tension builds. In that moment, it's not about your looks, your money, or even your words. It's about the feelings you've created inside her, and those feelings transform into instant desire. In the end, female desire is not random. It is triggered. When women feel safety, being desired, anticipation, emotional connection, strength, novelty, and the power of being chosen, they experience immediate desire. If you understand these triggers, you will never wonder what she wants. You will feel it in the way she responds. Stop chasing with desperation and start creating the feelings that unlock her deepest desire.